Postgraduate.com, number one site for postgraduate courses worldwide. What is an MPhil student? A definition: MPhil students are among some of the most milestone postgraduate students, and those outside academia often think an MPhil is an MSc degree in philosophy rather than an advanced research degree known as a Master of Philosophy. Others within academia might see MPhil students as PhD students who have not completed their doctorate and has instead left with just an MPhil. But an MPhil is a valuable postgraduate qualification that many employers are looking for when hiring people for jobs such as researches or other areas of academic study. Part-time or full-time. MPhil can be studied on part-time or full-time basis with some students who don't have the funding in place undergoing an MPhil on a part-time basis before beginning a PhD. Most MPhils take 15 months to 2 years on full-time basis to complete, and this is because of research elements of the masters compared with a traditional one-year full-time master's course. This means that an MPhil will usually take around 27 months to 4 years to complete on part-time basis. MPhil students are any age. Their research nature of most MPhil degrees means that it often attracts more mature students, and because you will require the research and study skills gained during an undergraduate degree, and MPhil students are usually graduates. This means that many, but not all, students are in their early 20s as the average age to gain a PhD in the UK is between 26 and 27. They are conducting research. Most MPhil students are conducting research and using it as a stepping stone to start a PhD, but this is not always the case. Some MPhil students are conducting a year or two worth of research and do not to wish to continue with the PhD, whilst others have begun a PhD but do not wish to continue with their research. This means that an MPhil student will be putting long hours in the lab or library, but unlike a PhD student, it's unlikely that they will positions assisting or teaching. Sometimes MPhil students are on a thought course. At the University of Cambridge, most of the master courses are referred to an MPhil, and they have two types of MPhil. One is an MPhil by advanced study and the other is MPhil by research. In the UK, this is not a commonly way of differentiating between master's course. Most institutions only refer to a qualification such as MPhil if the student has completed substantial research on the topic, and master's research by is a separate qualification. However, there are countries like Pakistan where the entire university system uses the term MPhil. There it indicates that a thought course had a large research elements to it. Some employees look for people with the unique set of research skills that are gained during independent research, but perhaps do not require someone with the specialist knowledge gained during a PhD. There's not a lot of them about. An MPhil used to be more commonly studied by those wishing to enter academia in subjects such as history. However, in recent years, this tradition has been replaced by students completing PhDs before finding the first teaching position. This is the unique part of an MPhil student is that there are not many of you around, so you might find that you are part of small community. It doesn't depend on the institute that you are attending as places such as University of Cambridge or Oxford. Hope you understand this video and knowledge. If you like this, take care, stay tuned, take care, bye bye.